Hey guys, Sean Ray here, and thank you so much for watching this year. I really appreciate all the views I've gotten, all the support that you guys have shown me throughout the year. I love seeing you guys in the comments, and I can't wait to see you again next year in the comments and creating this great community. Now, if this is the first video that you guys are going to watch, I just am going to tell you right now, pause. This is not a video for you. If this is your first video on my channel, go watch the other ones. I got a playlist, like 100 videos of what to do, step one all the way to you're retired. And so on this channel, I go through all the ways that you can retire early through real estate investing. If you are returning, and this is video 3, 4, 5, 100 that you've seen in my videos, then this video is for you. As you know, I don't have anything on this channel that can be monetized. I don't even have a monetization on this channel. You guys probably shouldn't even be seeing ads on my videos. But yeah, I don't have a course or I don't have anything. I'm not selling anything. I'm merch. All I'm selling is value. And if you guys have gotten value out of this channel, then I'm going to be asking you something weird, 3 things in this video that hopefully you can help me out with. But before I do, this is the last video of the year. So I know if you guys are like me right now, typically you have a list of all goals that you're going to hit next year, and you're going to go over all the goals you made last year to see which ones you didn't hit, and kind of wrap them all up into next year. We're really going to get it. Next year is my year. Now I get that, and especially going into New Year's. New Year's is in like 1 or 2 days from the time I'm recording this video. Typically I'm super excited about the goals. I'm super excited about getting on a plane and traveling somewhere. I'm super excited about like what random lonely girl is going to be at the bar that I get to kiss, because I'm always single on New Year's for some reason. And again, this year, the same thing. Like, come on. Who's gonna kiss me at midnight? But no, for real, I'm really excited about what's going to happen the next year. Always like one of my favorite times of the year. This year, I'm not so sure. I don't know what's going to happen next year. I know on this channel, I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of cool interviews of people that have invested with me, so we can go over their wins and losses. And maybe I can interview some of you guys in other cities that have done some great things too, and get your stories as well. But yeah, next year is going to be weird. I'm either going to show you guys about how to pick up properties at a super discount because there's going to be a bunch of foreclosures, or I'm going to be like, you guys should avoid buying homes right now because there's no inventory and prices have skyrocketed. So full disclosure, I don't know what my channel is going to look like next year, but I do know that I need 3 things, and hopefully you can help me out with it. The first thing, if you guys could, for all those artists out there that are really looking forward to seeing yourself succeed, I will give you guys free mentorship if you can help me out with the channel. Now, the things that I need with the channel right now, these videos that you see that look really good lighting and a good camera and stuff like that, that's just because I'm at my buddy Sean Rockageech's house, and he lets me use his camera every once in a while, and I edit the videos on my phone. And so this is not an expert situation shop that I got running over here at all. It's just me haphazardly throwing things together. I would like to give you guys better looking content and make cooler videos with B-roll and like punchy edits and like music. Sean Ray. But as of right now, I don't have the talent to do that. If you guys are good at video editing, if you guys have good cameras, if you're in the Dallas area, if you know about SEO, if you know about making thumbnails, or you have any suggestions at all, I'm open. I want to make this channel better. I want to get this word out. I want to get the message out. I want to get as many people retired as possible for the 5 for 5, getting 5 homes on Airbnb just to be retired. And so, yeah, that's number 1. Number 2, if you're in Texas or you're outside of Texas and you want to invest in Texas, I'm going to be making an email list. I currently already have an email list if you guys aren't on it and you are actively trying to buy homes. Now, if you are 16 years old living with your parents and you're like, I'm going to be retired one day, this is not for you. If you guys have already got pre-approved from a lender, if you guys don't have a lender, obviously on this channel I have many videos of my lender, Derek. If you guys need a lender, Derek's the guy. If you already have your own, that's fine too. Get pre-approved, and if you guys actually have the funds, then I'll put you on my email list. I'd love for you to be one of the buyers. And then once you guys do that, if you want, I can actually film the whole process, and you could be featured as one of the content videos on this channel as not only a fan, but also someone that invested and the numbers and everything like that. So you can actually see yourself looking at me right now, talking to you about you could being on this channel in the future, and then later on watch a video of you watching yourself, talking to yourself through the video that we just recorded for you, of you, for everybody else. Number 3. All right, number 3 is, what was number 3? Number 3, be part of the community. Now, I used to be on Facebook all the time. I used to post all the time, and I used to love getting in the comment section and battling it out with people. And then we would talk about weird stuff like aliens, UFOs, ghosts, about relationships. I try to avoid all the political stuff, but I just loved creating these weird little conversations with people. And we created our own little community. I kind of lost touch in 2020 for some reason. I just stopped posting. And then Instagram, I never was able to create a community as well. But I know all of you guys that watch this video for more than like 10 seconds, statistically speaking, you guys are pressing like. And for those of you that aren't, you're just weird. If you're watching something for more than 10 or 15 seconds and you press like, it's probably going to recommend it to you in the future. If you don't press like, that means you're too embarrassed to what you're watching to press like because you don't want it to recommend it to you in the future. In that case, stop watching those videos, you weirdo. But in this case, most of you guys do press like, so thank you so much. Also, I'd like you to comment, because how cool would it be that if you weren't only just talking to me, but you're talking to other people in the comments you've seen multiple times in the comments, and you can even talk to the people that were in the video that I was interviewing, and you ask them specific questions that they can answer it and I can answer, and we go back and forth. We create this cool little community, then that's awesome. Like, I would love for that to be a thing. And lastly, I don't know why you guys aren't subscribed. Like, it's so weird. I look at the analytics, and I don't ask for anything for you guys. Like, I got nothing to sell. I'm giving you all the ideas that come out of my head. In return, I just want you guys to subscribe. Like 97% of my viewers are not subscribed. And that's so weird. Right now, go subscribe. Take a second, go subscribe. And if after a month, if I blow up your newsfeed on your YouTube with all sorts of stupid videos that have nothing to do with you, then unsubscribe, that's cool. But if I don't, stay subscribed. That's all. All right, guys, last little, come over here for a second, buddy. Last little thing I'll say before we say bye to 2020, and thank you so much again for watching, you guys, and being around. My homie and I, Mr. Sean Rockagich, if you guys don't know him, go over to Airbnb Automated. It's the coolest YouTube channel on the internet for Airbnb. I'm the second coolest, obviously, duh. But we just started a Lords of Travel YouTube channel and Instagram. We got 6 subscribers on YouTube, and I don't know why. We haven't posted any videos yet, but we plan on posting our first video before the end of the year, I believe.
It's probably already up as we speak. How cool is that?
Oh yeah, because we're talking about in the past and the future, presently. Well, time's weird.
You're in the Sean
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, we're going to be rocking the world, showing you guys where we've gone, we've traveled, and if you can give them a little bit of a preview of the channel and why they should go over there. What are you most excited about for the channel?
You want us to overlay a preview of the channel? Do you want me to
Ooh, that'd be cool. All right, Sean.
Overlay.
Can't fake it. It's just another day you're feeling low. I just take it. I lay here and I tell myself I'm gonna be better. Another day gone tomorrow. I know I'm gonna be better. I'm gonna be better, better. Another day gone tomorrow. I know I'm gonna be better, better.
But long story short, it's 2 guys traveling the world, having fun, making friends, and doing way cool things. And I'm taking too many photos of like dogs and stuff. We each travel for our own reasons. And our first video, we talk about why travel is important to us and why you should get out of town.
Yeah, so if you guys want to be a part of this conversation, subscribe. If you guys want to be a part of his conversation, go to his channel and subscribe. If you guys want to be a part of the conversation and you can travel with us, once you guys retire, we'll be going to Bali together, we'll be going to India together, we'll be going to Croatia together, we'll be doing all the things. Go subscribe to that channel. And between these 3 sources, you should be entertained all throughout 2021. With that being said, I bid you adieu. Goodbye, freaking 2021.
Did he ask you to subscribe yet? I just want to make sure that it was covered on this.
Are you trolling me, bro? Are you trolling me,
I just want to,
bro?
I want to be thorough.
This guy.
See you guys.
See you guys.